Let's check in on our little geniuses and see what they're up to today.
Hello. Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
It looks like everyone is having fun playing together.
Choo-choo.
Uh-oh, it looks like Nadia is having some trouble with her shapes. Let's help her practice learning all about shapes today. Let's get started. Circle, oval, semicircle, triangle, square, rectangle, trapezoid, diamond, parallelogram, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, star, hearts, arrow, crescent. That was great. Now that we've practiced our shapes once, let's try one more time, but this time faster. Are you ready?
Yay!
Circle, oval, semicircle, triangle, square, rectangle, trapezoid, diamond, parallelogram, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, star, hearts, arrow, crescent. Excellent. Let's see if our hard work has helped Nadia in remembering her shapes.
Yay! Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.